In the nascent years of the 20th century, a remarkable innovation emerged from the American heartland, destined to reshape transportation forever. We're talking about the Oldsmobile Model R, more famously known as the curved dash Olds. This vehicle isn't just a relic of automotive history, it represents a pivotal moment, the genesis of mass-produced automobiles in America. Designed in 1897 by the visionary Ransom E. Olds and brought to full-scale production in 1901 at the Olds Motor Works in Lansing, Michigan, the Model R democratized personal transportation. Before its advent, automobiles were exclusive, handcrafted luxuries. The curved dash changed that narrative entirely, making cars accessible to a wider populace and laying the groundwork for the modern automotive industry we know today. Every revolution has its architect, and for America's automotive journey, that figure was Ransom E. Olds. Born in Geneva, Ohio in 1864, Olds was a true pioneer, an inventor with an insatiable drive for innovation. His journey began not with cars, but with steam engines and eventually gasoline engines, leading to the formation of the Olds Motor Vehicle Company in 1897. Ransom Olds wasn't merely interested in building a single automobile. His grand vision was to create a reliable, affordable vehicle that could be produced in significant numbers, moving beyond the bespoke, hand-built customs of the era. He understood that accessibility was the key to widespread adoption, a concept that would profoundly influence the industry's future trajectory and cement his legacy as a titan of early automotive engineering and entrepreneurship. The design of the Oldsmobile Model R, conceived by Ransom Olds in 1897, was a stroke of genius characterized by its simplicity and reliability, a stark contrast to the complex, often temperamental machines of the period. Its single-cylinder, horizontal engine was not groundbreaking in terms of raw power, but it was remarkably robust and easy to maintain, qualities essential for a vehicle intended for a burgeoning market of inexperienced drivers. The iconic curved dash was more than just an aesthetic choice. It was a practical design element serving as a splash guard for the occupants. This thoughtful engineering, prioritizing user-friendliness and durability, made the Model R inherently appealing and less intimidating than its competitors, truly setting the stage for its eventual success as America's first mass-produced car. The pivotal transformation from bespoke craftsmanship to standardized production took root at the Olds Motor Works in Lansing, Michigan. This wasn't merely a factory. It was a crucible of innovation where the future of automotive manufacturing was forged. In 1901, a devastating fire nearly destroyed the plant, but from its ashes rose an even stronger resolve and a revolutionary approach to production. Instead of rebuilding to continue a fragmented assembly process, Ransom Olds capitalized on the disaster by consolidating and streamlining operations. This led to the implementation of rudimentary assembly line techniques, marking a radical departure from traditional methods. This strategic decision, born out of necessity, transformed the Lansing facility into the veritable birthplace of America's mass production model, setting an unprecedented pace for the nascent automotive industry. When full-scale production of the Oldsmobile Model R commenced in 1901, it wasn't just a new car hitting the market. It was a new way of making cars. Ransom Olds, faced with the challenge of higher demand than traditional artisan methods could meet, pioneered what we now recognize as rudimentary assembly line processes. Rather than individual craftsmen building an entire car from start to finish, the Model R was constructed by moving its components along fixed workstations, where specialized teams performed specific tasks. This division of labor drastically increased efficiency and output. While not yet the continuous moving assembly line popularized later by Henry